Hi everyone, myself Prachi Mittal, Sadasco skin trainer from Kristen Valmy Academy of Beauty. So today you might be wondering why Prachi is like this. Like she's not having lipstick, no base, no eyeliner, no mascara, no kajal. Guys, because today I'm gonna show y'all a very easy method of protecting your skin or keeping your skin hydrated. So I'm gonna do it practically as well. So for that reason I am not wearing any makeup, so I've just prepped up my skin so that I can do the further things. Why I have decided to do this is because nowadays, due to lockdown, due to coronavirus, we are under lockdown and we are not able to take proper care of our skin by going to salons or by going to beauty parlors, by getting facials done or cleanups done, which we used to do on regular basis. So it's really important that at least we do something at our homes by the natural things which are been there at our home, like the home things which we can make a mask out of it, and we apply it and we try to treat our skin and keep our skin soft and supple as well as nourished. So let's get started. One reason why I should do this is because it will really help to improve your skin texture. It will help to nourish. If you have acne issues, it will try to counteract the acne issues. It will try to lighten your skin. It will try to hydrate your skin. It will try to nourish the skin. These are like not even a single reason. I've given all many reasons so that you need to do this. Okay, so the things you require is face wash for prepping up your skin, then which is a Valbrite face wash. I chose Valbrite because this is my personally favorite face wash from Kristen Valmy. I've been using it since the day it has been launched and it is like a very good face wash. I have actually seen a lot of difference in my skin. I had like literally a lot of tan on my skin, so by using this Valbrite face wash I've reduced a lot of tan from my skin. So it actually helps to remove all of your tan, naturally lighten up your skin as it has anti-thyrosinase effect in it. So that's the reason how it helps. For preparing of mask, you require three things, which are your banana, turmeric. Okay, banana should be ripened now. Ripe banana, guys. Turmeric and honey, which is very yummy. So let's just get started. So you have to peel the banana, mash it, put 1 teaspoon honey in it, turmeric, 1 teaspoon turmeric, and then you get a consistency like this. Your mask will be ready. So I am gonna do it practically as well, as I said y'all in the beginning. So I'll just show you all how to even apply the mask. So before starting with this application of the mask, you need to even take good care of your clothes. So let's just make sure we take good care of our clothes, we don't spoil them, because if this mask spills on your white clothes or something, it's very difficult to remove it. So now here I have 2 tissue cutouts, which I'm just gonna put in my t-shirt. Make sure your hair is all back. I'm gonna put a tissue here. So I'm just trying to protect my clothes. So here, so you just put a layer of tissue. You just cover it so that your clothes don't get dirty. Okay, now, the first thing what you need to do is wash your face with face wash nicely. So the physical dirt, whatever is there, it comes out from your skin. Now you have to take the mask. And then just apply it on your face in upward direction. So you apply it in upward direction. Can you see? It's not too drippy or it's not that messy that you will actually have to see like you have to take a cleaner place or something like that. No, it doesn't spoil the area. You just have to apply it. So after applying, we can talk, as we have to keep this mask for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So we can just talk that time. We can keep it for 20 minutes and we'll discuss what are the benefits of banana, what are the benefits of honey. Can you see, guys? Always apply in upward direction. Make sure you don't put it in eyes. And even make sure you apply it on neck. Neck is part of face. You have to apply the product on neck as well. So here, that's what I'm doing. I'm applying it on neck also. So when you're washing your face, you have to wash your neck also, because neck is a very important part. Neck is the visible part, so that's the reason it is a part of face, and you have to apply it on neck also. Okay, so guys, we have applied the mask. You can see I've applied on the whole face, leaving the eye area. Now you can just wipe your hand with the tissue so that we can just continue with our talks. So first, let's talk about banana. What does banana actually helps and what does banana actually do? So banana as a fruit, it has fibers in it. It has potassium. It has vitamin B6. It has vitamin C. And it has few traces of vitamin A. So all these things like vitamin C, vitamin B6, they all help in lightening of the skin. So first reason why we should use banana is it helps in lightening of the skin. Second, it helps to nourish the skin. It tries to open the pores and remove the things. So for that reason, like you have dirt which has been trapped in your follicles, it tries to remove that. So banana is used for this. Second, honey. Honey is super hydrating, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antibacterial. It helps to remove all the dirt which is there in your skin, all the impurities. Try to counteract acne, try to prevent the bacteria which is growing for acne. It tries to fight with that, जिसके वजह से your acne doesn't come, and it hydrates your skin automatically, like simultaneously it hydrates your skin. So due to this hydration procedure, your skin becomes very soft, supple and flawless. Turmeric has a super lightening effect. Turmeric has an antiseptic, antibacterial effect. It is very good for dry skin because it helps in healing as well. So these are the benefits of banana, honey and turmeric. So this three, when you mix it, it gives you a very flawless, super nourished skin. You can use this mask for oily skin. You can use this mask for dry skin, acne skin. Yes, it even helps for acne skin because it helps to counteract the bacteria. It tries to fight with the bacteria. So once the 15 minutes are over, you can just remove the mask by removal of your fingers. So first try to remove the mask superficially so that your wash basins don't get choked up. So just remove the excess whatever is there. I'm trying to remove it from neck also. And you can just discard it on a piece of tissue or dustbin. Just discard it directly into the dustbin. And then what you have to do is you have to just take a tissue, or you can just directly wash it in the wash basin, but you have to make sure that you wash it with a lukewarm water. So here I have already prepared my water. So I have water. I'm gonna take tissue, facial tissue, and just gonna wipe it off. So I'm gonna dip it in the lukewarm water and just wipe it. So now guys, it is very important you understand how to even wipe. If you wipe in opposite directions, your skin may sag because mask has given you a lot of tightening effect, lot of smooth and supple effect. So you have to make sure you always wipe in upward direction. Can you all see how I am wiping? So when you remove the excess mask out of your face, the blotchy part, see, it's so easy to remove the mask. Taking a second tissue. You can even wash your face, guys. It's not important you have to wash your face with a tissue only or remove the mask with tissue. You can directly go and wash your face with lukewarm water, removing the excess traces of mask. Can you all see the traces which were left over? So I'm gonna do it till the time my tissue is very clean and clear. It comes out to be white only, so that I don't spoil anything else. Like when you wear clothes or makeup, it should not come off. Your skin should be properly cleansed. Can you all see how hydrated and plumpy my skin is looking? Like I can just touch it. It's very soft and supple now. So guys, please do try this. And I'm just gonna tap. I've just dabbed it with a normal towel, a dry towel. Then you can even remove this. You can just apply. After this, you can just take moisturizer or day protection. So I use Valnel, so I'm going to use Valnel. And you can, after applying a moisturizer, you can just apply a day SPF, which is, I use Christian Valmy products only. So I'll be using Radiance SPF 45. And then you can just put your makeup on. You can go out directly. You can go for shopping or anything. But as lockdown is on, so stay home, stay safe. And that's all. Thank you. Bye.